Check out this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, jet set blue clear coat, tires, 215/60 R17 VSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.